The early weeks and months after birth can be one of the most loneliest and uncertain times. It is challenging when you're second-guessing yourself or questioning whether what you're experiencing is normal or not. My goal during postpartum care is to reconnect you with yourself and provide guidance on the milestones and markers you should be focusing on. Most importantly, I want to help you invoke deep trust in yourself and set context for the journey ahead. What I offer is not traditional postpartum doula support. Instead, I am there to give focused, personalized care and guidance towards your greatest challenges at this time. If you're looking for immediate clarity, the Navigating Postpartum Consult offers personalized care addressing your most pressing issues. The Sacred 42 course gently takes you through the first crucial 42 days after birth, nurturing you with Ayurvedic wisdom and practical tools. If you are seeking more hands-on, ongoing care, the Postpartum Healing Pathway offers bodywork, breastfeeding support, emotional coaching, and nutritional guidance. Book a clarity call to explore your postpartum needs with me.